Imagine waking up a millionaire and losing everything overnight. The crypto world has created some of the fastest millionaires in history, but it has also crushed more dreams than we can count. Today, we're diving deep into the real stories of crypto millionaires who touched the sky and crashed back to reality. Who were they? What went wrong? And could you be next? Stay with me till the end. You won't believe what happened to some of these investors. The Bitcoin pioneers, early investors who made millions. Back in 2009, Bitcoin was nothing more than an idea, a strange digital currency that no one took seriously. But a handful of visionaries saw the future. They bought thousands of Bitcoins for pennies and held on to them. By 2017, their patience had paid off. Some became multimillionaires overnight. Take Eric Finman, for example. In 2011, at just 12 years old, he invested $1,000 in Bitcoin after a tip from his older brother. That investment turned into $4.5 million by the time he was 18. But what happened next? Did he cash out? Or did greed make him hold on too long? If you had bought Bitcoin in 2010, would you have held on to it? Or would you have sold too soon? Let me know in the comments. The ICO boom of 2017, the gold rush. By 2017, Bitcoin wasn't the only way to get rich. A new trend emerged: initial coin offerings, ICOs. Thousands of new cryptocurrencies promised investors massive returns, and people jumped in blindly. One of the biggest winners? Chris Larsen, the co-founder of Ripple XRP. At its peak, he was worth $60 billion, even richer than Mark Zuckerberg. But fast forward a few years, and XRP had crashed by 80%. Most ICO investors lost everything. Would you have risked your money on an ICO in 2017, or would you have played it safe? The crypto crash of 2018, a $600 billion disaster. Then came the fall. The crypto market crashed in early 2018, wiping out over $600 billion in wealth. Some lost millions in days. Others had taken out loans to buy crypto and were left with nothing. One tragic story is that of a young investor named Peter. He turned $50,000 into $5 million during the 2017 bull run, but he didn't cash out. By 2018, he had lost it all. Today, he works a regular job, trying to recover from his mistakes. What would you have done in Peter's situation? Cashed out, or held on for even bigger gains? The Dogecoin and meme coin hype. 2021 was the year of the meme coins. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and other joke currencies turned ordinary people into millionaires overnight. But how many of them kept their wealth? Take Glauber Conte-Soto, for example. He put his entire life savings, $0.25 million, into Dogecoin. In just a few months, his investment skyrocketed to $3 million. But instead of selling, he held on, believing it would keep going up. What happened next? Dogecoin crashed, and he lost everything. Would you have sold at the top, or held on, hoping for more? The FTX collapse, the fall of a billionaire. No crypto story is more shocking than the collapse of FTX, one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. Its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, was once worth $26 billion, but it was all built on lies. FTX was exposed as a massive fraud. Customers' funds were missing. The entire company collapsed in days. And the so-called crypto genius, Sam Bankman-Fried, arrested and facing decades in prison. Do you trust crypto exchanges? Or do you keep your investments in your own hands? The world of crypto is full of highs and lows. Some made fortunes overnight. Others lost everything. The question is, what would you do if you were in their shoes? One thing is clear. Fortune favors the smart and the cautious. The crypto market is not for the weak-hearted. Do you think it's still worth investing in? Or is it just too risky? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of crypto millionaires, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to InvestoSphere. We bring you the latest trends in investing, finance, and wealth building. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.